What we know about best evidence and the way kids learn to read is that it needs to start with a systematic phonics instruction. The Phonics Plus program is a really comprehensive scope and sequence that will help schools deliver synthetic phonics. It's a total package, so it doesn't focus just on phonics. It also incorporates handwriting, fluency, dictation, and it will provide the resources that schools, without having to go spend money on external professional learning, they'll be able to take that package and implement it in their schools. The evidence is that synthetic phonics is the way to teach all kids to read, so it'll be applicable for all contexts. Even though we've been implementing phonics for quite some time here, we're going to use the resources that are available to audit our current practice and sort of check with what we're doing is matching best practice. I think certainly some teachers who had been teaching a long time and it had been a shift in the way they teach, particularly the explicit teaching part. But I think once they saw the benefits and the shift in their assessment data, they could see the improvements it was making for their kids and they all jumped on board.
It's made a huge difference. Students know what the letter says and they know how to say the sound. There's no guessing anymore. So just decoding and encoding when they're writing, it's just so straightforward now.